In today's video, let's talk about the way that you fix the PayPal account limited. Now, whenever in the situation where you have this notification of your account being limited, so in this situation, what you'll need to do is you'll need to resolve this issue. So what you can do is just tap on this notification that is being shown currently on the homepage of your PayPal account. So once you tap on this option, you'll be taken to a page where you'll need to upload your photo ID or your proof of ID, which may help to solve this issue. Now, apart from this, what you can also try out is try to ensure that you are using a trusted device, the device that you frequently use to access PayPal. But as I said, for the most part, the simple solution is going to be to upload your ID document or sometimes even video verifications so that PayPal can verify it is actually you trying to access your account. Now, this issue is normally resolved within 2 working days of you providing the exact document that is required. So I do hope this guide video was helpful to you. If it was, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up.